Assalamualaikum! For today's video ay pupunta kami sa beach at isi-celebrate natin ang birthday ng aking little sister na si Sofia. So, let's go guys! Samahan niyo ako. See you later! Hi!
Hi.
How are you? How old are you?
7.
7 years old! Yay! Where are we going?
Beach and hotel.
Beach and?
Hotel.
What we gonna do there?
I'm going to swim in the pool and then play sand and then go to the sea and swim there.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! Show your outfit today. Wow! So pretty with a
Parang,
Karami. Your favorite. Is it?
yeah. Later I will wear gown.
Gown. Wow. You're gonna wear a gown later?
Yeah.
Wow. Yay! You said, see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Bye. Hi guys, so we will gonna eat here at Lotus Resort. Ayun. So, let's go guys. Kaway-kaway naman. Sorry guys. Ay, ang puputi.
Ini steam rice. You can eat any simple steam. Ya, panas.
Panas ha? Wow.
Here.
Huh?
From here, make.
Apa?
Make from here, the soup.
Really? Wala? Ako.
Slowly.
Naman eh, walang may makuha. Very simple. Aesthetic. Aesthetic. Okay. Okay. So, let's eat guys. Hi guys. So, tapos na ako kumain. Busog na. Grabe. Kanina sobrang gutom. Bye.
Wala.
Go.
Eh?
You hold na. Chanti-chanti. Look like kayo.
Okay.
Ubor. Pia natatawa. See? Shame. So we're done eating guys and we will go to the place where we're going. So we're done eating guys. So punta na kami dun sa pupuntahan natin. And Yeah, sure. Do you want to go there?
I want to buy chicken.
You want to buy what?
I want to buy chicken.
That one.
Yeah, but later I go to the sea.
Ah, you want to go to the sea and then you want to buy that one. Say hi to me, vlog.
I,
Hi, vlog.
I black.
See you later. Bye. They buying this. Do you like it? Ah, wow. Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy or not? What? Happy? Yeah. Wow. Mashallah.
A bird looking at you. Look at
Sophia, same inside the house.
the boy.
The toy
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
we have.
I already broke one.
Yeah.
Can we try some?
Can go in or not?
Cannot law.
Huh?
Cannot.
Cannot. Can la?
You naik lah, you gumo.
Saya? Saya. Saya.
Isip bata oh, isip bata.
Go to the kampong.
Imbis na si Fia yung sasakay, yung nanay ang sumakay.
You want try?
No, di ba, Fia?
Come, I bring you here. No. I will go down first. And then,
Sabi niya kasi kanina, gusto niya, ayaw mo naman.
huh? Up la.
You go up la alone. No need to go. Wow. Brum brum. Don't step on it, ah. Don't step anything. Wow. You wanna go down? So guys, andito na kami sa aming pag-stayhan. Dito kami sa The Emerald Hotel. Kung saan yung nakaraan, di ba? May last video is dito kami kumain. Ayan. The Emerald. So, mag-check-in muna tayo. Yung labo nila. Check-in muna kami. Ayan sila. Say hi! Happy
Hi.
birthday!
Happy birthday.
Alam mo, travel. Ayun yung cake ni Sophie. Ang laki ng cake niya. So, we will stay to 203.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa Renaissance.
203. Can ata? 203 ah.
Yeah. 203A.
Ne, 203. Sala. Assalamualaikum.
Kau kasih kecil.
Aduh, agoy,
Mau
sakit.
katil.
Assalamualaikum.
Dia cakap apa super queen. Ini super single.
Alah, so kecil.
Cak tanya dia.
So small. Wow. This is the view. So nice. So nice. God, look. Mm.
stand up. You can stand up there. Ada toy. Orang in the sofa bed.
Hi guys! So, mag-swimming kami. So, magpapalit muna ako ng swimwear. Look at my sister. Hi!
Going to swim.
Where are you going?
Swimming.
Swimming. Are you excited?
Ay, kala, kailan ito?
Let's go!
Yung automatic, this one, ano sensor?
Hi guys! So, ayan, nakapag-swimwear na ako. Grabing init. Hi! Ha? Malamig? Hindi ka nagbasa. So guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming and then magbanlaw muna tayo. See you later. Bye! Where's the birthday girl? Hey guys, so we will go to eat dinner first and celebrate the birthday of my sister. So let's go guys! Hi guys! So we are here. Harder. So, tapos na kami kumain. And, uwi na kami. So, let's go. Bye! See you later! Happy birthday to you.
Happy so.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Awas selamatkan kamu. Awas selamatkan Fia. Awas selamatkan Fia semua. Awas selamatkan Fia. Nor Sofia. Hi guys! So, matutulog na kami. So, see you tomorrow! Bye! Breakfast, coffee, and bread. Go! Wow! 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 What is that?
Amoy.
Ambo. What is that? Hindi ah. Lagayan. Wow! Okay, go. Open. From this one. Rusak lah. Wow. What is that? Wow. What is that? Wah, apa na? Oh.
Tadi saya pergi je lah satu orang.
Ha?
Saya pergi je.
Wow. Hmm.
Pagdala na si Vita. Happy birthday na kaya sa Garland ko.
Ah, I know. Is that? Ah!
What is
I
that?
know.
Wow. What is that? You show to the video. Video lang. Wow. Go. Hindi.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Wow. Wow. What is that? No lah. Wow. From Ate Sheena. Name? Who's that? Wow. Ah, from Ate Leng. This one. Oh. Wow. Wow. Ate Leng. Ate Leng. Ate Leng. Dapat from Ate Leng. Wow. You show K-pop.
Tipo.
K-pop. You show. K-pop. K-pop. Wow. Nice. Wow. K-pop. Next. You show to here lah. Why you open like that? Okay, go. Open sesame. Wow. Oh. Maybe put inside lah. What is inside? The one. What is inside? Wow. Open sesame. What is that? Ah, the one from me. The one K-pop from me, right?
K-pop.
Yeah. Wow. Open for it. Open. Wow. Purple. Wow. Nice. Okay. Next.
From Ate Mimi.
Ate Mimi. Yeah. Wow. What is that? Pen sesame. Wow. Pinky. Pinky. Okay, you say too. Patingin.
I know.
Hmm. Wow. Tebalik on. Wow. So cutie. There's a heart on it. Next, the other one. Wow. Show here. You show to here. Wow. So pretty. Wow. Next. Julian. So, wow. Ciao. What is that? Wow.
I know.
What is that? What is that? Wow. That's it. Excited.
Make up.
No, wala.
Not yet.
Open. Take a look. Check it.
Shock.
Wow! So cute! You show here. Wow! Uy,
Like this
sa
one.
mga video. Wow!
You like it?
You like it?
Yeah. It's cool.
Wow! What is that?
Ufo.
Ate Sheena.
No.
Oh,
Mommy Jean.
Mama?
Mommy.
Oh, Mama.
Mommy Jean.
This one, Mama.
Mommy Jean.
What is that? See?
I know.
Wow!
Nice one.
This one, Ate Sheena.
From
Wow!
you?
Yeah.
Ang akala sabi ko walang regalo tayo.
What is that? What is that? So heavy?
No.
What? Wow!
Polo.
Wow!
You try na kung siya. You try siya.
You try?
Wala, na-turn na lagi.
Turn on.
You
try.
Maybe if,
Ano?
try to work.
Eh,
Ipapalit
You
ka
try.
siya ba? Try to work.
you
Very
try.
cute la, like princess la.
You try. Hawa pa gud nati.
Where do you?
Kalat sa iyang tubang.
Ka na?
Show.
Is this from Belly or what?
Parang ano?
Other side.
Parang palengke.
The other side, Sophie.
Is it feet?
Try go.
You know my size?
Stand up la.
Stand up.
Oh, nice.
Kasya pala eh.
Fit.
Kaysa 30.
Feet!
Wow.
Kasya?
Wow, so pretty la.
Kasya.
Princess. Wow. So pretty.
Oh, magsuot siya. Naka-pink na hat na.
From Ate Sheena. Again.
Oh, you. Or wait, two.
Yeah. By two.
That.
What is that? Wow.
Kikilala.
Kikilala. Kikilala. Let's try. Open it. Wow! What is that? Wow!
You try.
So pretty.
You try.
You try.
Kasya
So
pala
pretty.
three, no?
I love it.
You love it?
You like?
Kasya pala. You show
Kasya
tip.
pala. Yung laki pala ng pana eh.
Wow, so nice la. Wow, pretty. Like a princess.
Thank you for the gift. Mwah. Thank you for the gift. Mwah.
Yay! Hi guys! So, nag-check out na kami. So, uwi na kami ng bahay. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on my next one. Bye!